Hi guys, I welcome each and every one of you to my channel once again. I believe you and me want our customers to keep coming back for more businesses and also refer us to their friends and family. So if that is what you want, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you things that you must do and know for your client. Things you must do to your client for them to keep coming back to you for more businesses and also refer you to their friends and family. So stay tuned and watch the video at the end. And if you are new to my channel and video studio, this channel talk about photography businesses, tricks on how you can grow your photography businesses from a beginner to a pro. So subscribe to the channel because I'll be dropping weekly videos on this channel as time goes on. Let's dive into the video. The first thing which you must do for your client to keep coming back to you and for you to be in the mind of your customer and for them to always refer you to their friends and family is for you to create a quality work. This is very important because trust me, no clients want to work with a mediocre. No client want to work with someone that is not good. So you must know how to present a quality work to your customer, like in any way you can do it, and by so doing you will always be in the mind of your customer. And by this quality work, these are the things you must do. You must know your lighting. You must know different type of lighting, soft light, hard light, how to play dramatic lighting depending on the concept you are shooting for. You must know what is like. You must know how to pose your clients. You must know how posing works with your client. You must know different type of composition in photography, different angles and perspective in photography, because these are all that you must do for your work to stand out, for your work to be exceptional, for your work to be excellent to your client, and they will love it and also keep coming back. And the second thing which you must do for your client to keep coming back to you and also refer you to their friends and family is you must do a steady follow-up. This I know most photographers have been ignoring this. Most photographers, once they deliver the job, that's the end of communication with that client, which is very bad. Business is not supposed to be done that way. Trust me, if you are following up your customer, you will always be in their mind. And how will you do this? You will do this maybe whenever they post something on their social media like Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, you just give a nice comment about it. Like even if what they post is not is something that maybe you do not like, just give a nice comment about it so that you will be in the mind of that your customer. Apart from you giving nice comments on their social media handles, you can once in a while text them on their WhatsApp that hi is it's been a long time we have, we hope you are good. Apart from you texting them, you can also call them. You can just do anyone that works for you. These are the things that you must do for you to be in the mind of your customer. This is very, very important. You must do it. And guys, if you enjoyed the video till this moment, I would love you to subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell because I'll be dropping weekly videos on how you can improve your photography service. And the third thing which you must do for you to be in the mind of your client and for them to keep referring you to their friends and family, guys, you must be nice and kind to your customer. This is not only for photographers, but instead this is not only in businesses but in your life, as you must be nice and kind to your customer. And it's true that no one wants to work with someone who is arrogant or someone who is pompous. No client wants to work with such person. So try as much as possible to be nice and kind to them in every way, in all areas. You can show kind gestures before the shoot, after the shoot, and during the shoot. You can do this by showing them, just be kind to them in your own best way, and you will always be in the mind of their customer. Trust me. And the next thing which you must do for you to be in the mind of a customer and for them to refer you to their friends and family at all times, for you to have a clear communication with your customer. Yes, this is very, very important. You should be able to have a clear communication before the shoot, during the shoot, and after the shoot with your customer. And by this communication, I mean you should be able to communicate to your client about the concept of the shoot, about the time of the shoot, about the locations of the shoot, about the deliverables, that is the work they will be getting from you, and the time or date that they'll be getting to work from you. You'll be able to communicate with them, explain to them how they will be getting it. These are the communication that you must know how to talk to your client, because the truth is that if your client does not understand you better, it will be very difficult for them to work with you or for them to even refer you to their friends or family. So try as much as possible to know how to communicate effectively with your customer, and by so doing, trust me, your client will keep coming back to you, and not only coming back to you, but they will refer you as much as possible to any person that want to do photo shoot.